In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a MailChimp campaign. Whether it's an email campaign or a landing page, sometimes having a physical copy can be incredibly useful, whether for sharing with a team, archiving, or just having a tangible reference on hand. If you've been wondering how to do this in a clear and straightforward way, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to print both email campaigns and landing pages created in MailChimp. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to MailChimp.com. Once you're there, log into your MailChimp account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard, which is the starting point for everything you'll do in MailChimp. If you're unfamiliar with the dashboard, don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. From that menu, click on the option labeled Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns and landing pages are stored. Once you're in the Campaigns section, scroll through your list of campaigns until you find the one you'd like to print. If you've named your campaigns clearly, this step should be quick and easy. When you've located the campaign you want to print, click on it to open it. If it's an email campaign, you'll see a button or link that says View Email. Click on that to load the email's content onto your screen. At this point, it's important to wait for the email to fully load. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few seconds, so just be patient. Once everything is displayed and looks correct, you're ready to move on. To print the email content, you have two options. The first is to right-click anywhere on the email content and then select Print from the menu that appears. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and P at the same time, if you're on a Windows computer, or Command and P on a Mac. This will open the print settings for your computer. In the Print Settings window, you'll need to select your printer from the list of available devices. Double-check that the settings, such as paper size and orientation, are correct. When you're satisfied with the settings, click the Print button, and your email campaign will be sent to the printer. Once it's printed, you'll have a physical copy to use however you need. Now, let's talk about printing a landing page. If the campaign you want to print is a landing page, the process is slightly different. First, click on the Edit button to open the page in edit mode. From here, you'll need to publish the landing page to generate a live link. Once the page is published, open the live link in your browser. When the landing page is displayed, just like with the email campaign, you can right-click on the page and select Print, or you can press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This will bring up the same print settings window as before. Choose your printer, confirm the settings, and hit Print. Within moments, you'll have a printed copy of your landing page. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're printing an email campaign or a landing page, the steps are straightforward and easy to follow. It's just a matter of navigating to the right place, loading the content, and using your computer's print function. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.